So in Qigong, you have different stances. You typically stand shoulder width apart here, with your, slight bend in your knees, roll your shoulder back, and this is considered, it's called Wuji posture or empty posture, but it's also called human posture because this is kind of how a human would stand, okay? Now, if you're familiar with martial arts, you might have heard about a horse stance before. That goes a little further out, so we step a little further out, maybe a little further out, and we bend the knees and we just kind of sink down here. And this is called, earth posture in some traditions, but it's also in martial arts they call it a horse stance. Some moves you would do and some traditional forms would be things like the archer. It would be something like when you come back, your arms come together, and then you push out and you look to your side. You look to your side, you come back, and you look to the other side. Breathing in and out. Breathing in and out.